There we go.
Can I hold the thing?
Yo! What, you want the glasses?
Yeah.
You want the glasses? Okay, here you go.
Is it still recording?
I think so.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Let me make sure. Yeah, I think so.
3, 2, 1.
So here we go, guys. We're gonna start opening this box. Now, I'm not gonna be building it. I'm just gonna show you the box. I'm gonna place it on top of the table. And eventually, little by little, I'm gonna buy all the pieces to build it. But I'm just gonna get the box out, bro. Ready to see this? It's a big PC, bro.
Yeah, this is big.
I know it has glass, so I gotta be careful. There we go.
Let me take out this.
Yep, take that one out. There we go. And there it is, guys. It's a pretty big box.
It's nice.
Where it has this corner all of glass.
Yeah, that's how it's done. I've never seen it like that.
I know. And it has the little.
I see.
It looks pretty cool, right?
This one is hoping to come down.
It's alright, we'll clean it. Yeah, but it's pretty cool, man. It's a big box, bro. So we're gonna be assembling this one little by little, bro.